Hi friends, this video shows how to restart this device using remote. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go down, go to system. Then go down and here you can see restart. Set restart. Then set restart. See, now it's restarting, please wait. So this way we can restart this device using a remote controller. See, now it's booting. Please wait. See, you can see Google TV logo. Okay, done. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.